Welcome back to our English podcast, where we make learning English fun and practical. Today's episode is all about the 100 most common questions and answers in English. We'll be having a special segment with Michael and Dorothy, who will help us practice these essential conversations.
Michael will be asking the questions, and Dorothy will provide the answers. Let's get started.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy reading and hiking.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Where do you live?
I live in Toronto.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak French.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to watch movies.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy playing tennis.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in Vancouver.
What's your favorite holiday destination?
I love going to the beach in Hawaii.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a travel photographer.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm definitely a night owl.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy trying new recipes.
What's your favorite season?
I love the fall because of the cool weather.
Do you prefer the mountains or the beach?
I prefer the beach.
What's your favorite animal?
I love dolphins.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling to new places.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball.
Do you have a favorite quote?
The only way to do great work is to love what you do.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
I love chocolate ice cream.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I read every night before bed.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
Going to the zoo with my family.
What's your biggest fear?
I'm afraid of heights.
What's your favorite restaurant?
I love Italian restaurants.
What's your favorite thing to do on weekends?
I enjoy hiking and spending time outdoors.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I love surprises.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love cheesecake.
Do you have a favorite app?
Yes, I love using Instagram.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
I like both, but I prefer cats.
What's your favorite drink?
I love iced tea.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
What's your favorite flower?
I love roses.
Do you prefer hot or cold weather?
I prefer hot weather.
What's your favorite kind of exercise?
I enjoy running.
What's your favorite day of the week?
I love Fridays.
Do you like puzzles?
Yes, I love solving puzzles.
What's your favorite candy?
I love chocolate.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, swimming is my favorite sport.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I love camping.
What's your favorite indoor activity?
I enjoy painting.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas is my favorite holiday.
Do you have a favorite superhero?
Yes, I love Wonder Woman.
What's your favorite board game?
I love playing Monopoly.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, shopping is fun.
What's your favorite time of day?
I love the evening.
Do you like roller coasters?
Yes, they're exciting.
What's your favorite snack?
I love popcorn.
Do you like video games?
Yes, I enjoy playing them.
What's your favorite vegetable?
I love broccoli.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I enjoy drawing.
What's your favorite car brand?
I love Tesla.
Do you have a favorite city?
Yes, I love Paris.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, it keeps me healthy.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I loved English.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite season of the year?
I love spring.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I love singing.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I love sunny weather.
Do you prefer sweet or savory foods?
I prefer sweet foods.
What's your favorite clothing brand?
I love Zara.
Do you like history?
Yes, I find it fascinating.
What's your favorite restaurant dish?
I love pasta dishes.
Do you like to garden?
Yes, I enjoy gardening.
What's your favorite movie genre?
I love comedies.
Do you like rollerblading?
Yes, it's fun.
What's your favorite clothing item?
I love jackets.
Do you have a favorite quote?
Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken.
What's your favorite exercise?
I love yoga.
Do you like to travel by plane?
Yes, it's exciting.
What's your favorite type of art?
I love abstract art.
Do you enjoy going to museums?
Yes, they're interesting.
What's your favorite type of movie?
I love romantic comedies.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, dancing is fun.
What's your favorite type of music?
I love pop music.
Do you like board games?
Yes, they're great.
What's your favorite TV series?
I love Stranger Things.
Do you like to bike?
Yes, biking is fun.
What's your favorite social media platform?
I love Instagram.
Do you like to read?
Yes, I enjoy reading.
What's your favorite book genre?
I love fiction.
Do you like to shop online?
Yes, it's convenient.
What's your favorite type of exercise?
I enjoy Pilates.
Do you like to write?
Yes, I enjoy writing.
What's your favorite language to speak?
I love speaking French.
Do you like to meditate?
Yes, it's relaxing.
What's your favorite app?
I love Spotify.
Do you like to watch documentaries?
Yes, they're informative.
What's your favorite type of clothing?
I love casual wear.
Do you like to volunteer?
Yes, it's rewarding.
Great job, Michael and Dorothy. That was really helpful. We hope our listeners found this practice useful. Remember, these questions and answers are common in everyday conversations, so practicing them will definitely improve your English skills.
Absolutely. Keep practicing these questions and answers until you feel confident. And don't forget, if you find the podcast speed too fast, you can always adjust the playback speed to 0.75x. Just click the gear or settings icon on mobile at the top of the video screen or at the bottom right corner on desktop.
Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your favorite question from today's episode. See you next time.